If your experience with AI tools is just typing a prompt and getting back a massive and messy wall of text that you have to copy and paste and fix yourself, you're missing the entire point of modern technology. Welcome back to Creao Academy. Last week, we went from absolute zero to launching your first active chat session with no configuration required. Today, we are fixing the biggest bottleneck in AI collaboration. We are mastering the command center, the chat, by unlocking interactive artifacts, steering, and one-click sharing. Whether you write code for a living or just setting up your very first online business, you will benefit from this episode by learning how to direct an AI the exact same way a film director guides an actor, keeping your hands clean of messy formatting. This series is designed for all of us, while we will cover some more technical advanced developer tools down the road. My absolute goal is to make sure you walk away with a practical insight or a complete task in every single video. Let us look at the pain point of typical chat interfaces. Most AI tools dump massive blocks of raw code, Markdown, or HTML directly into the middle of your conversation. It is hard to read, impossible to interact with, and completely destroy your momentum. There's actually research on this showing that human AI collaboration thrives when there is cognitive scaffolding. This means the system provides visual interactive objects that act as an internal working memory, letting us refine and build on the output incrementally. In Creao, we do not dump code blocks into your chat. Instead, the interface slides open a dedicated interactive panel on the right side of your screen. We call these artifacts. And with these artifacts, I'd introduce you steering. To explain steering, it is like being a movie director instead of jumping onto the set and rewrite the script yourself. You just give the actor a quick note like, or say it more with excitement, or add an emerald green button here, and the actor updates their performance instantly. Let us see it in action. Open your browser, head to Creao.ai, and click on the chat in the sidebar to open a fresh conversation. Move your cursor down to the chat input box and type in, "Generate a professional landing page for my startup." Press enter and watch the right side of the screen. A beautiful live preview panel slides open automatically. You can see the HTML, CSS, and interactive elements loading in real time against your canvas. This is your interactive artifact. It compiles and renders inside its own sandbox, meaning you can test buttons, links, and styles right here in the chat window. Now let us steer it. Instead of rewriting the prompt, deleting sections, or copy and paste the raw code into an editor, simply click into the chat bar at the bottom and let us type, change the main header color to emerald green and add a sign up form. Hit send and watch the agent work. It reads your feedback, isolates the specific lines of code in the artifact, adjusts the CSS and HTML structure, and renders the updated landing page on the fly. You did not have to write a single line of code, but you got the exact layout adjustment you needed. This is conversational steering. Once your page is ready, you do not have to take screenshots or download code to show your team. Look at the top right corner of the chat window and click the button labeled Share Thread. Creao instantly generates a secured read-only link. This link is connected directly to your active thread session. When you send it to a client or colleague, they can interact with the live page, read the conversation, and see the workspace progression in real time without needing to log in. It is private, secure, and incredibly professional. To summarize what we covered today, let interactive artifacts handle our code, and steer our layout with simple feedback, and share our thread with a single click. Mastering interactive artifacts and chat steering is how you stop writing prompts and start directing scalable systems. If you want to dive deeper, read the official guide at docs.creao.ai/features/chat. Next week, we are tackling episode 3 on how to organize files and structure multiple workspaces so you can run separate projects without any context mix-ups. Click the link in the description to log in, test out steering on your own workspace, and subscribe to keep building with me. And I'll see you next Friday.